High torque 2.5 TFSI 5-cylinder turbo engine with 294 kilowatts, 400 PS, and 500 Nm of torque, plus 20 Nm and better progression compared to predecessor, expanded power range, 400 PS at 5,600-7,000 RPM, steeper power curve acceleration, 3.8 seconds from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0.3 seconds faster than its predecessor, equals best in CLAS stop speed, 250 km per hour, electronically limited, optionally 280 km per hour, 290 km per hour with RS Dynamics package plus equals best in class unmistakable and emotional engine sound due to characteristic 1-2-4-5-3, firing order, fully variable exhaust flap control for wide-ranging sound characteristics 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission with short shifting times, sporty gear ratios, and launch control quattro all-wheel drive with RS torque splitter. Drive torque is actively and variably distributed between the rear wheels for maximum agility and stability. RS torque splitter reduces tendency to understeer during dynamic cornering.